Gerber Downrange Tomahawk. Comes with a low profile MOLLE sheath that can fit on just about anything. Easy release snaps let you get at the tomahawk in no time. The Downrange Tomahawk has 3 primary breeching functions. The first is a pry bar. This pry bar has a cant in the head to allow maximum leverage. Up top on the axe head, you have an integrated prying handle. This gives you real estate so you have positive control when you're executing the pry. On the reverse side, you have a hammerhead. This has maximum surface area and is welded in place. On the opposing side, you remove a button here and can quickly and easily eject that Kydex sheath from the tomahawk. This exposes a large blade with a point on the bottom. This is great for hacking through ropes, twine, anything else in a hurry. It also has 2 G10 handles along both sides. This gives the user maximum control and confidence during swings or during pries. The Downrange Tomahawk is 420 high carbon steel. It's been heat treated so it won't bend under stress. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the Downrange Tomahawk.